In this video, I will show you step by step how we can add payment method in Fiverr just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, guys. So let's get started. So all you have to do is just open your Fiverr homepage like this. Go to your Fiverr homepage, okay, and click in your profile picture and click over here on billing and payment like this. It's gonna take you to this page like this, as you can see. Click over here on payment method, okay, like this, and here you go. Scroll down, click over here on add a payment and choose which payment method you want to use. So you have two options. You can add credit or debit card, or you can add your PayPal account. So I will just choose credit card. So click on your select the payment method that you want to add, and here you go. Put your card number here and put the date of your card, security code, and your name here. Click on save, and that's it. That's how you can add payment method in Fiverr. It's really easy, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.